This is an EGR valve, which belongs in that car. Of course, this is recorded afterwards, but this is the EGR valve, the stock one, of course. Pretty much what it's made for is to stop emissions from the diesel from blowing too much black smoke or whatever carbon crap they talk about. Don't ask me those questions. I don't have the knowledge for that. I just like gearing. So what I did, I went on Amazon and I found one EGR delete kit for that motor. It is not the ALH, it is the BRM. So I found it $58, and by the looks of the reviews, it's a bit skeptical. They're saying the gaskets is garbage, something doesn't fit, but I don't need all the parts because my EGR cooler is already deleted before I bought the car. So without further ado, let's see if we can get this done and not blow up the car. Here's our Amazon package, just open it up. A green box. All right, what's in the box? So, first thing I was worried about was, okay, so this is our piping. Oh my gosh. So I understand the gasket thing now. I don't know what people are complaining about this. Seems to be fine, but that's not the best gasket in the world. Okay, all right. And I'm the type of person, if it works, it works. I'm not gonna complain. I don't care about stuff like this. If it works, it works. It is our tubes. Of course, the bolts included. First glance, before picking the car apart, it seems fine. I can definitely tell it's like not performance, high quality grade stuff, but I mean, people seem to buy these a lot. My buddy has bought one all the time for his Mark V TDI, so last thing to do now is install it. We have to deal with Volkswagen's absolutely horrendous clip design. Well, number one thing I found out is there's not one EGR delete kit removal video for the Mark V PD 1.9 TDI. So what I've discovered is the valve cover's got to come off because there's no space to get a stupid German Allen wrench to fit in that bolt hole to get it out. Which has some conversation. I took the valve cover off. Here are the good old internals. Now we have easy access to take this stupid EGR off. Let's get it. This bullshit stuck open. That's why it doesn't work. And it looks like crap from the inside. So now we get to replace that with something better. Let's do a quick click, see if the EGR goes on. All right, the gasket did seal relatively well. It is tightened on, so now we just gotta get the pipes on and then reassemble everything else. All right, and with that done, time to put this guy back on and see if she'll start. Let's put this turd back on. And I guess pray that it works. All right, last thing to do is see if it starts or if I messed everything up completely. So. All right, let's test it. So far, we've been idling for about 5-10 minutes and everything seems good. No leaks, no air leaks. Before we get going, what an EGR delete kit essentially does for these motors is that stock EGR, it has so much restriction and it can either get stuck open and it can have buildup of all the smoke that usually comes out of a diesel, the black smoke, as you see in videos most of the time, and that just gives you a little bit better airflow now with this straight tube instead of that stuck enclosed. Okay, so feels good. Second. Okay. See how she feels on a little bit more open throttle. Oh yeah, she pulls. Holy crap. I can see where that extra airflow brings that smoke tune in clutch. Damn. So with that being said, she runs good for starters, rolls quite a bit more coal, and when the boost pressure goes underneath where I can floor it and it doesn't burn my clutch, it feels a little bit more powerful. It's not like a major power difference, but it's like a cold air intake. You feel it, but it's not like major. Anyone owning a 1.9 TDI, though, the ALH, BRM, doesn't matter what it is, I would say it's definitely worth it. It was $58. All the reviews, I personally have had no issues yet, but they seem to be pretty good. Seems to work good. This upcoming Saturday will be straight pipe day. So if you guys want to check that out, like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notifications on if you want to see what she'll sound like.